Touch Cleaning Services is a commercial cleaning company. We provide daily cleaning, pressure washing, floor maintenance, carpet cleaning, construction cleanup. The last 14 years, we've been able to provide the latest technology, the latest equipment in order for our cleaners to provide the best services to each and every one of our clients.
No matter the shape, size, no matter the name, the brand, whatever it is, we treat each building as its own entity.
A lot of companies talk about diversity. We embrace it to the fullest. Out of 200 employees, we're probably touching on 50 countries.
When I get an email, when I get a call from a client and a happy customer that says that they're happy because of what we have done, that makes me happy.